In the bush. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. The adventure has begun. Yeah, guys, look who's here. Sophie. And Leo.
Keep searching for him.
We're ready to go kill some crabs tonight, guys. You remember the last adventures we just did? Tonight's a different night. Brian's not here tonight. I'm not going to get beat up by Brian tonight, but me and Sophie's going to be at it tonight. Yeah. Sophie's catching crabs tonight, guys. That's what's up. Sophie is catching crabs tonight. Yes, she have thick gloves and she said she can't get bite in her diving gloves by a crab. You hear that, people? No want to know this and hear this, you know.
Very thin, you know, so I take back my word.
She can't get bite in that. Me get bite through my Timberland boots, so I don't know where I talk about gloves. Yep, feel big crab bite me, but stay tuned, guys. Epic adventure. Big up yourselves. What? Well, give Sophie light, video light. Sophie over there. Crab bush 2024. Yeah, back at it again, Laurie. Ready? Yeah, we're ready to kill it. Yeah, man, Yam is here. Yam got them thick ass gloves. What you want with thick ass gloves? What you gonna catch with them things? Yo, Brian, push your hand now and hold last night me and ball out. Yeah, man. Sophia, repellent up. Seamless, Yam. Shine the light on him, Yam. You get him? Yeah, guys. Look at him. The light fell off his head and everything. Go ahead, bro. Good catch, good catch, good catch. Grab him. You got him? I got his claw. Go ahead. Don't worry about his claw. Let's get him. Alright, good catch. Good catch, bro. Good catch. Woohoo! One so far on the bag. Bag. Good catch on Leo. Hold that, Leo. Yeah, so try to assist. Anytime situation like this, guys, we try to assist each other because, yeah, my camera is on. Alright, guys, take the time, I'll move to Yum. See him? See him? Take the time. Come here, Leo. Come here, two of them I have. Yam! Come here, so one is under my foot. Sophie! What, you got him?
Yeah, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Bag. No can go there, hold on. See hold on your foot there.
Nobody make it quiet.
No, not yet.
Yeah, guys. At two, me just buck up on a fight, you know. Fight, look what I Come. Yeah, guys. Look at this mumpy, guys. Woohoo! Leo, sit back. Come here. Get him, Yam. Wait, don't move, don't go in front of the shadow. See him that's why big yo. Two of them, you know, see him that's why, you see him? You see him? Screech here that's up, take your time. See him that's up, straight when I like that. No, he's still there. Just come round there and go so, look, go so. In gone done.
Quite gone in. See him like them. Yeah, good catch.
That's
I help him.
you got him.
You don't want to break off. No, hold on.
He not broke off, I'm just a black the hole. Go on.
Don't want a big. Don't want a big.
I want over there, some see you.
Larry, back.
Yeah, this one is big, Sophie.
Mm-hmm.
It's one of the biggest ones.
Yeah, Sophie. We doing it. Mm-hmm. There you guys. Sophie. Mm-hmm. Hold on, let me give you some light. There you go. In the bush. Nah, if you ever pinch you today, I'll laugh till a week.
Don't want a big.
This is
That is it, guys.
mud crab. Wow.
Hunting. Sophie Loki's Adventures, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. That is it, guys. Just, yeah, quick.
Quick.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me see now.
Blood clean. Leo, bag look nice and about.
Already.
Wow, guys, so this is about what, 15 minutes?
So make that one they get well look while still, you know. One big one they be right just tree root, man.
Right as well?
Right just some one monster the day or something, man.
I don't want them to see a
Yeah.
You never see them.
And one more they right just upon this of hole, yeah.
You never see them through the jail. I don't want them to see.
Alright, some more rounds so. But here we are going. We have to take the time and go round. So where that come from now?
Where I come from, man. Not there.
So we should go look at deeper still, you know. Don't move. Don't put. Hey, sometimes they're right there, you know, gone down all the way, you know. Can grab your leg them. It's one big one there. It's one there. Look. See him there, so. Leo. Grab him. Don't move, Yam. Don't move. Don't give me a light, Yam. Give me a light.
Funny string on my hand.
Look here, see him there, so, Leo.
Yes,
Blood clean, you get him. Me know, sir, I hear me see force, you know, Leo. I hear me see force.
Don't want the bigger, you know?
much bigger.
Don't want the
No,
bigger.
but it's okay.
We're not make.
Yeah, guys, look at that. Striker. Yeah, guys. Bag! May bag there? Yeah.
What will you see again? It's about 10 pound of crab, you know.
10 pound of crab one, more than 10 pound that brother. It's time tight, man.
About 15 pounds.
I'm gonna left this here so while we walk over there. So. The one I'm gonna catch I'm not in there recording. Yum, come here. Quick. There you go, busty boy. Try bite with your left hand here, I see. No. Where? Come to Papa. Come to Daddy. Come to Daddy, bitch.
You have to watch it. I don't want to have it clear them will cut you know. Come, let's do some fun.
Good spot, Laurie. Good spot. This one deep plant, yum. Rot it out one night. All the mushy sink night, how deep. Just wax couple of coil up this a little. Just wax couple up this a little coil. Yeah. Eh? Laurie spot one look while now come out look while and just mash him look while too.
Yeah, them say a big party like a while ago.
Big?
Like you see him.
Big?
Yeah, man. And probably I want crab too. Oh, see there?
Blood cleat. Kill that that's in there, man. So 40 leg guy in a crab hole. Wow. Yeah. Look one two away. We're pretty clean for crab hole. Not bad. My kneecaps, yeah, look at my kneecaps. My kneecaps are not so bad. Look. Alright. We're good. Yes, we clean and fresh after crab bush. Yeah, we're not wet, we're not dirty guys outside. And we mash up the thing tonight. Without here, Sophie Lofi is here in Mobe. And Sophie Lofi is dashing for crabs. Nah, me nah say it. Me nah say it. Sophie Lofi is out there. Yeah, 40 leg. I film 40 leg in a crab hole. So you see when me see the 40 leg run up in that the hole, the top crab bush. The top hunt crab. No brother, I can't see a big 40 leg like that. If me go push me hand in the hole, one crawl up all my arm, throw it and go so. Blood clean. Alright guys. When you catch them, look on them mumpy guys. You know, hold on for one big one, the big one they turn upside down. No one they kill the big one there, no. The two big one they are fight, look at that. Yeah, big one. Two mumpy. Yeah guys. Be a man in your fight.